Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to change a brown person color to white person color without change any effect like a shadow. So now let's go starting. Open Photoshop and going to the open and getting the brown person and going to the toolbar and getting quick selection tool and making a border just for the person without higher. Focus without higher, okay? So now when we make it a border for person, going to the hair layer list and going to the salt color and getting the yellow color, and now click OK, and now go to the normal list, get the soft light, and now you can have change the color or change the effect. So now this video is come to end. Thank for watching, and don't forget like and share for learning and other people's, and subscribe to see more videos. So thank you, goodbye, see you next time.